Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I want to do a follow-up video on this pen that I reviewed about a week ago, a little more than a week ago. Now this pen is made by Kimzy, and at the time I reviewed it, I thought it would be a good pen. I like the length. It felt like a real pen, pencil, and so I like that. You know, a lot of us try to buy these inexpensive stylus that have the big bulb end on it, and it's not fine, and it writes, it does a trick, you can move it around, but still it's you can tell it's not something like what you might get with a note phone or something with a real stylus. So I thought this would do it. It has a charging port. You can charge it 1 hour, you get 10 hours of use, and you got a fine point right there. But as I use this pen, I realized it didn't work that well. The first day I used it, it seemed to write pretty well. I think what happens over time as you begin to use this pen, the quality deteriorates. Not sure what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're going to take a look at how this writes on the S20. Let me turn this on, and then let's go to Google Keep. Now, you know, it seems like it writes better in cursive than manuscript. So let's just, now that seems to go okay. But when I write now, the latency, you don't see any latency there, right? No latency. But when I seem to write in manuscript, and as I write more, the latency starts to appear, particularly when you hold the pen in certain angles. So let's see, how are you doing today? Did all right there. Another thing I noticed is that when the battery is fully charged, when you just charge it, it writes okay. It writes better. The weaker this battery gets, the less effective this writing is gonna be. Now it's doing okay right now, but that's something you got to pay attention to. And I really thought that the pen deteriorated just by using the pen on consistently. What is actually happening is that as the battery weakens, this pen might not write as well as it does when it's fully charged. Okay. Because it's doing decently right now. Okay. Now we're going to try this in notes to see what it does. Let's see how it writes there. Okay, so the latency is pretty good when the battery is fully charged. But as this battery weakens, you're going to see some more latency there. So that kind of makes sense to me. I didn't figure that out, but that's what's going on there, right? So just be aware of that when you're using this pen. I think it's a decent pen. I got another one coming that I'm going to review this weekend. You get 1 hour of charge, 10-hour battery life, and it's fairly decent when it's fully charged. But as this battery goes down, it's going to deteriorate. Remember that. So I just kind of want to share that with you. There's something I didn't recognize. So I only use it for a minute the first day I open it up. But that's what I noticed over the week I've used it, that it can deteriorate when the battery weakens, okay? Okay, so that was a quick update on the Kimzy stylus. I wanted to make sure you guys knew that. I did review the product a week ago, and I noticed a little bit of a change there over the week's time, so I want to make sure I update you on that. All right, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.